Hello everyone. Today I am excited to present the Healthcare Agent, an intelligent multi-agent AI system designed to revolutionize patient interaction in the healthcare industry. This isn't just another chatbot, it is a sophisticated system that uses specialized AI agents working together to handle everything from triaging, appointment booking, billing, and clinical advices. This is powered by LangGraph. The LLM models are taken from the Grok and Supabase as the database. As you can see, we have a split screen interface. On the left hand side, you will notice a real-time graph visualization showing our agent network. This dynamically highlights which agent is currently active and how they are communicating. On the right hand side, we have the normal chat interface where patients interact naturally with the system. To start, we need to verify the email address. If the account is already created, it will verify and proceed. Otherwise, the user has to register with all the provided details. Now, I would like to show you how the triage agent routes its activity towards the appointment agent. So I have requested to book a cardiologist near Gurgaon sector 23, and you could see it has routed to the appointment agent and it gave me two results from the database. So if the database doesn't have the information, it will smartly search from the internet via SERP API and will come up with the result and will store in the database as well. So as you can see from here, from the console, it has attempted to search from the web and it has come up with two new doctors into the database. So I can click on book appointment for further booking and it will ask me for the time slots and the date. Now it will go ahead and book the appointment and it will provide me with all the tickets and various other details. So as you can see, all the location details are provided. You can also download the ticket. So the ticket looks like this, right? And it has also sent an email confirmation. So I would like to show you that. This is how it looks like. You can add the reminder to the Google Calendar as well. Now I would like to show you how it can analyze the medical report and transition the activity from appointment agent to the clinical agent. So it will transition its task to the clinical agent and it is asking me to upload a PDF or an image file. I have a sample report which I will upload now and would see how it reads the document. Right, it is trying to extract all the relevant information and eventually it is suggesting for booking an appointment with a cardiologist. Right, so now again you can ask a normal question. I am having chest pain. So it is just trying to give some remedies which can be applied a short notice, right? And now I would like to show you how we can move to the billing agent. So it has transitioned to the billing agent, as you can see from the left hand side, and it is showing that there is outstanding balance of 250 and my insurance is active, and would I like to pay the full $250 now or later. So these are all dummy datas. This all can be incorporated with real life um, data points. So I would like to show you the database from where I am getting all the data and storing all of them. This is the Superbase database where the data are stored. Let's go back to the code. This is the definitions where I have used the LLM model along with the different tools with proper prompt, right? So these are the various tools, the medical tools where we have like search doctors, cancel appointment, book appointment, and lot more. There is an OCR tool where you can extract all the relevant information from the PDF file or the image file that you are uploading, right? The swarm agent, the swarm graph looks like this. This is the start, and you are all connected to this appointment, billing, clinical, and the triage. This is a decentralized system which can communicate with any agent as per the requirement. Thank you.